पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पृष्ठ क्रमांक 697 अश्वल ब्राह्मण। Eighth mantra we have already seen. See the bhashya. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच इति पूर्ववत्। टीका प्रथम संख्या विषयो द्वितीयस्तु संख्येय विषयः प्रश्न। हाउ मेनी एंड व्हाट आर दे, लाइक दैट। कति अयम् अद्य अध्वर्युः अस्मिन् यज्ञे आहुतिर्होष्यति इति कति आहुति प्रकारास् तिस्र इति कतमास्तास् तिस्र इति पूर्ववत्। हाउ मेनी आहुति कति, how many ahutis this adhvaryu will perform today in the yajna, and katamaha taha. Kati is ahuti prakara, how many types. Katamaha, what are those? Iti purovat. Itara aha. Itara kaha Yajnavalkyaha. Yajnavalkyaha, what is the meaning of Yajnavalkyaha? यज्ञ से वल्कः, वल्कः मीन्स वक्ता। यज्ञ से वक्ता यज्ञवल्कः, तस्य अपत्यं याज्ञवल्क्य। या हुता उज्ज्वलन्ति समित् आज्य हुतयः। समित् आज्य मीन्स घी, all of them उज्ज्वलन्ति। या हुता अधिनेदन्ते अतीव शब्दं कुर्वन्ति मांसादि आहूतयः। This is the second type. Those ahutis which make lot of sound, noise, मांसादि आहूतयः। या हुता अधिशेरते, अधि अधोगत्वा भूमेर अधः शेरते, so they go down. शेरते, शेरते, what is the धातु?
शिंग।
शिंग स्वप्ने, शिंग स्वप्ने शेरते। What is the बहुवचन for शेरते? Not शेरन्ते. शेरते is बहुवचन। भूमेः अधः शेरते। पयः सोमाहुतयः। पयः means milk, soma ahuti, they all will go down. So three types of ahutis are there. Ajya and Samit, they will bring the Agni up. So those who attain, those who offer that, they will go to Swargadi, Ujjvala Loka. those where there is sound, noise, Mansadi Ahuti, they go to Pitraloka, and the lower ones, Prithviloka. Tika. Tena samanyena ujjwalatvena iti yavat. Bhashya. Kim tabir jayati iti. Tabir evam nirvartitabihi ahutibihi kin jayati iti. What does he, the performer, attain through these ahutis? या आहूतयो हुता उज्ज्वलन्ति उज्ज्वलन युक्ता आहूतयो निर्वर्तिताः फलं च देवलोकाख्यम उज्ज्वलमेव तेन सामान्येन या मया एता उज्ज्वलन्त्य आहूतयो निर्वर्त्यमानास् ताः एताः साक्षात् देवलोकस्य कर्मफलस्य रूपं देवलोकाख्यम फलमेव मया निर्वर्त्यत इति एवं संपादयति. This kind of buddhi comes in his mind that this ahuti which I have offered, which are jwalanti, ujjwalana yukta ahutayo, and the phalam is devalokakhyam, which is ujjwalam, so samanyam is there, tena ujjwalatva samanyena. Ya maya eta ujjwalanti ahutayo nirvartyamanaha, these ahutis which I have performed, which bring so much light, etc. साक्षात देवलोकस्य कर्मफलस्य रूपम देवलोकम देवलोकाख्यम फलम एवं मया निर्वर्त्यत. I shall attain देवलोकाख्यम फलम निर्वर्त्यते इति एवं संपादे. या हुता अतिनेदन्ते आहूतयः पितृलोकम एव ताभिर्जयति. And there where the ahutis make lot of sound, they attain पितृलोक. ठीक है. कथम मांसादि आहुतीनाम पितृलोकेन सह यथोक्तम सामान्यम मांसादि आहुति, why their samanyam is with पितृलोक इत्यतः. In bhashya kutsita shabda kartrutva samanya. This shabda means kutsita shabda, that shabda which is not good, inauspicious sound comes from that. In Tika, the Pratika, what does the Pratika say? Pitu, make it Pitru, if it says Pitu. If it is Pitru, it is okay. Yes. Pitruloka Sambadhayam hi Sanyamanyam Puryam Vaivaswatena Yatyamananam ha hataha smaha muncha iti shabdo bhavati. Pitruloka Sambandhi, there is a Puri, there is a city there, Sanyamana Puri, Sanyamanyam Puryam. Yama iti Sanyaman, Yama Sanyamatam Aham, in Gita it is given. And Yama means Mrityu. Mrityu is called Vaivaswata. Where Mrityu is called Vaivaswata? Hara Vaivasvatodakam. That's why Bhagavan Bhashyakar begins the Kathopanishad Bhashya by offering salutations to Brahma Vidyacharyaya Vaivasvataya Mrityu and
Shishyam to Nachiketa.
I was expecting Chaturthi of Nachiketa. That was my intention. Nachiketa say, this answer should have. Vaivasvataya Mrityave Nachiketa se. So Yamacharya's Yatyamananam, there all the Yatana places are in where Yamacharya is. Yamapadam is not very, means all the time he must be listening to this noise only. Ha ha muncha, hatosmi, like that. Hatasmaha. And the Sharira there is special, as you know, because Manushya Sharira, if you give some pain, that fellow will die. We can't bear much pain in this body. But that Sharira, lot of punishment and still he will be alive. Head also can be chopped off, still he will be alive. So remember, whatever we do here, if we think that here nobody is going to tell me anything, don't worry. Even if you don't offer such ahutis which make shabda, still you can end up there. Tatha. You think this way. If you live in a community where you are surrounded by people having ha ha muncha muncha, means constantly there is lot of noise. Understand this is Sanyamanapuri. This is also Yamaloka only. And where there is lot of Shanti, lot of Jnanam, this is Devaloka. Means if you can live wherever you are living, but Shanti is most important. You imagine now in how many places in the world there is war. Imagine if next life we have to be born anywhere in any of those places. Their only sound is going to be this. Ha, hataha, smaha, muncha, muncha, and some, they don't even talk, they just have shooting. Tatha, avadana ahutayasतेन पितृलोक सामान्यात् पितृलोक एव मया निर्वर्त्यत इति संपादयति. Avadana ahutayah, so these ahutis which make sound, mansadi. तेन पितृलोक सामान्यात् पितृलोक एव मया निर्वर्त्यत इति संपादयति. या हुता अधिशेरते मनुष्यलोकम एव ताभिर्जयति. या हुताः अधिशेरते मनुष्यलोकम एव ताभिर्जयति. भूमि उपरि संबंध सामान्यात् अध इव ही अध एव ही मनुष्यलोक. And where the ahutis which are offered, which go down, adhisherate, tabir jayati, bhumi upari sambandha samanyat. So all the way on the ground, bhumi upari sambandha samanyat. Adha iva hi adha eva hi manushya-loka. Adha iva means adha eva manushya-loka. Uparitanan sadhyan lokan apekshya. Compared to the higher worlds, it is lower world. Uparitanan sadhyan lokan apekshya adholoka. Manushya Loka, when they have to praise, they say in Manushya Loka you can get Brahma Jnana. Pitru Loka you may get, Gandharva Loka you may get, but it is not clear. And Deva Loka, Brahma Loka you can get, but to get to Brahma Loka is difficult. Uparitanan, Uparitana, what is the pratyaya there? Sayantana, Chirantana, Sayam, Chiram, then Prahve, Pragre, Vyayebhya, Styutyulau, Tutcha, Styutyulau, and Tut. That is how that tan comes. Uparitanan. Like that, adhastana, so many, all the shabdas where this pratyay is there at the end. अथवा अधोगमन अपेक्ष्य अतो मनुष्यलोक एव मया निर्वर्त्यते इति सम्पादयति पयः सोम आहुति निर्वर्तन काले अथवा अधोगमनम अपेक्ष्य that he sees that now the ahuti is going down, I will attain manushya only. Manushya eva maya nirvartyata. Iti sampadayati. Sampadayati means in this way he will get the jnana. Or he will do chintanam in this way. Because there are people, they want to come back to manushya. They want to see this, they want to see this. I have not visited it. This visiting vasana or seeing this, that doesn't end actually. Because you go anywhere. Let's say you go to Kedarnath, Badrinath also, and you come back. After you come back, then they'll say, did you see that gufa which is there little bit above? I say, I didn't go. Okay, next time when you go, then you go and see that gufa. Then you make sure you go visit that gufa, take picture so that that fellow who was saying that gufa, you have gone there. Then another fellow comes and says, but there, did you see there is a small river? That is Saraswati. Something they will tell. Now you say, but that I didn't see. Okay, next time when you go, you say, Yudhishthira did something there and Bhima did something. Something. And in this sloka itself, there is no end. Somebody says, but that island you have not gone. टीका अस्ति हि सोमादि आहुतीनाम् अधस्ताद् गमनम् अस्ति च मनुष्यलोकस्य पापप्रचुरस्य तादृग्गमनं तदपेक्षया इत्यर्थः Somadi ahutinam adhigamanam, adhogamanam is there. You can see Somadi ahuti will go down only. They will not have Agni flare up. They will not make sound also. Like that, Manushya lokasya papa prachurasya. Manushya loka is papa prachura. Papa prachura in this prachura shabda. Prachura shabda has ka pratyaya. प्रचरो प्रचोरति इति प्रचुरः चुर धातु प्र उपसर्ग पूर्वक इगुपधा ज्ञेति दिस इज सूत्र इगुपधा ज्ञेति दिस इज फॉर कप प्रत्यय actually so the sutra is igopadha jna pri kirah kah 31135 igopadha jna pri kirah kah papa prachurasya तादृगमनं तदपेक्षा अतः सामान्यात् इति यावत् दिस इज सामान्य 8th mantra is complete. Further, Yajnavalkyati hovacha. Katibhirayam adya brahma yajnam dakshinato devatabhir gopayati iti ekaya iti. Katama sa eka iti. Mana eva iti. Anantam vai mano ananta vishve deva anantam eva satena lokam jayati. This part comes frequently. It will come in Brahma Sutra also. Anantam vai mano ananta vishve deva. This much. Again, Ashwala asks Yajnavalkya iti hovacha. Katibihi ayam adya Brahma. So Brahma, earlier we saw Advaryu, Hota, all of them. Now Brahma, how many he will offer? Adya Brahma Yajnam Dakshinato. Dakshinato means on the right side of the Agni. It's given in Tika. Dakshinato Devatabhihi Gopayati iti. How will he protect the Yajna? Through Devata. Devatabhihi Gopayati Yajnam Ekaya, by one ahuti. Katama sa eka, what is that? Mana eva iti anantam. This mind alone. Anantam vai mana. Mind is infinite. Vishvedeva is also Ananta. Ananta Vishvedeva. Anantam lokam saha tena jayati. Tena saha anantam lokam jayati. Anantam eva lokam. He shall attain the world of infinite. टीका याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच इति पूर्ववत्. टीका नहीं, मूलम याज्ञवल्क्येति, सॉरी, भाष्य इति पूर्ववत्. दक्षिणतः आहवनीयस्य, सी राइट साइड ऑफ विच अग्नि? आहवनीय अग्नि. What are the agnis? Without seeing the Prashnoparishad mantra which came today. Anvaharya Pachana. Ahavaniya, Dakshinagni, Ahavaniya, Anvaharya Pachana, and Garhapati. So two are same. Anvaharya Pachana and Dakshinagni, they are same. Right? Check. Prasangikam Bahuvachanam iti uktam prakatayati. Now, see in Bhashya. Ayam Ritvik Brahma. Anvaharya Pachana is Dakshinagni. Ayam Ritvik Brahma. So the priest here is Brahma. Dakshinato Brahmasane Sthitva. He is sitting on the right side of this Dakshinagni. No, right side of this Ahavani Agni. Brahmasane Sthitva. Yajnam Gopayati. He protects the Yajna. So one Mahatma was telling me that Brahmaji will be silent. Brahma means this Brahma, Yajna Brahma. But that is not true, because if he is silent, if something wrong happens in the Yajna, how will he correct it? So if there is any shortfall, any truti, then he will correct it. He has to speak. In general, he will not be reciting mantra, but he will stop them from going in different direction. Now, Yajnavalkya ji gave the answer, one ahuti, ekaya. So, the question was, Katibihi Devatabihi, right, in the mantra. Katibihi ayam adya Brahma yajnam dakshinato devatabihi gopayati. So why Bahuvachan is asked if there is only one? Doesn't he know who? Ashwala. You should have known that there is only one. So that is what Bhashyakar says now. See. Katibhir devatabhir gopayati iti prasangikam etad bahuvachanam. Prasangikam bahuvachanam because in the earlier 2-3 mantras, Katibhihi, Katibhihi. So in this mantra also Katibhihi is there. Prasangavachan. Ekaya hi devata gopayati asau. एवं ज्ञाते बहुवचनेन प्रश्नो न उपपद्यते. स्वयं जानतस् तस्मात् पूर्वयोः कंडिकयोः प्रश्न प्रतिवचनेषु कतिभिः कति तिसृभिः तिस्र इति प्रसंगं दृष्ट्वा इह अपि बहुवचनेन एव प्रश्न उपक्रमः क्रियते. So in the earlier kandika, earlier mantras, where prashna prativachana question answers were happening, in them question was Katibhihi, answer was 3. Next Katibhihi, answer was 3. So here also he said Katibhihi. Bahuvachanena prashna upakrama. This is one. Athava, there is another reason. See in Tika. जल्पकथा प्रस्तुता इति हृदि निधाय बहुक्तेर गत्यंतरम आह. This dialogue is not vada. This between Yajnavalkya and all these people, this is not vada katha. Vada katha prayojanam is to make the vadi enlightened about whatever vishaya. Means jnana karana. That is the objective. To make him know something. That is vada katha prayojana. Like what Bhagavan Shri Krishna did to Arjuna. What Raja Parikshit did to, what Shukadev ji did to Raja Parikshit, like that. That is Vada Katha. Here it is Jalpa Katha. So Jalpa Katha is Vijigishu Katha. Vijigishu. Vijigisha. What is Vijigisha? Online students. जेतुम इच्छा. विजिगीषा. जीतने की इच्छा. जेतुम. So this is Jalpa Katha. So Ashwala purposely asked Bahuvachanam. Why? Prativadi Vyamohartham Bahuvachanam. To confuse Yajnavalkya. Maybe it is Ekvachanam, but to see if he gets trapped. Like sometimes when I ask, Sherate is, what is the Bahuvachanam of Sherate? Like that. Prativadi Vyamohartham Bahuvachanam. Itara aha, but Yajnavalkya was alert. Itara aha. Ekaya iti eka sa devata yaya dakshinatah sthitva brahma sane yajnam gopayati. When we were studying, there was one brahmachari. I think after maybe 1 year and a half, 1 year plus, somewhere Yajnavalkyaji's name came. Then suddenly he said, oh, in childhood, my name, everyone was calling me Yajnavalkya. Remember, Yajnavalkya name, just by your name, you are not going to become Yajnavalkya. You can have any name. There are so many Vishnus and so many other names, right? They don't become that. It's good that, or you might just come out with some idea, oh, this is my name. Okay. अथवा हाँ, इतराः एकया by one इति एका सा देवता यया दक्षिणतः स्थित्वा ब्रह्मा आसने यज्ञं गोपायति. So that is one devata yaya by which Brahma dakshinatah sthitva, sitting on the right side of the Agni. Which Agni? Ahavaniya Agni. दक्षिणतः स्थित्वा ब्रह्मा आसने यज्ञं गोपायति. कतमा सा एका इति. Which one is that? मन एव इति. मनः सा देवता. मन is the devata. मनसा ही ब्रह्मा व्याप्रियते. टीका मनसो देवतात्वं साधयति. How मन is the देवता? मनसा ही ब्रह्मा व्याप्रियते. ध्यानेन एव. मनसा ध्यानेन एव ब्रह्मा व्याप्रियते. So manasa tritiya. So mind will become the karana. By that Brahma dhyayate. Brahma will do dhyana. तस्य यज्ञस्य मनश्च वाक्च वर्तनी तयोर अन्यतरां मनसा संस्करोति ब्रह्मा इति श्रुत्वा. मनः and वाक्, they are वर्तनी. वर्तनी टीका वर्तमनी. तयोर वांग मनसयोर वर्तमनोः अन्यतरां वाचं मनसा मौनेन ब्रह्मा संस्करोति. वर्तनी means वर्तमनी. वर्तमनी means मार्ग. Speech and mind. वांग मनसयोः वर्तमनोः. वांग मनसयोः. वांग मनसयोः और वांग मनसोः. वांग मनसयोः. What is the sutra? At least starting you should know. Online, who remembers Achatura Vichatura? Online there is complete silence.
अचतुर विचतुर सचतुर
Suchatura.
सुचतुर स्त्री पुंस्थेन वनडुह रिक्साम वांग मनस अक्षिभ्रुव दारगव पदष्ठीव नक्तं दिव रात्रिं दिव अहर दिव सरजस निश्रेयस पुरुषायुष द्वायुष त्रायुष ऋग यजुष जातोक्ष महोक्ष वृद्धोक्ष उपशुन गोष्ठ गोष्ठश्वाहा.
Good. Only one Padashtiva or one of.
Padashtiva.
So in this Vang Manasa is given. What happens to these pairs, whatever they are given, or Shabdas? Ach Pratyaya. So Sakaran, Manas is Sakaranta Shabda, it will become Akaranta Shabda. So Vang Manasayor Vatmanoho Anyataram Vacham. One of them is Vacha, one of them is Manaha. Anyataram Vacham Manasa Maunen Brahma Samskaroti. वाग विसर्गे प्रायश्चित्त विधानात् इति श्रुत्यंतरस्य अर्थ. So here it is मौनेन ब्रह्मा संस्करोति. Brahma ji does his samskara through mauna. Vag visarge prayas. So that is why Brahma has to stay in mauna. That is probably what is the reason. Vag visarge prayaschitta vidhana. If he speaks, he has to do prayaschitta. Maunena samskaranam, but if they do any ashuddhi, so Brahma has to do shuddhi through his mind. Iti shrutyantarasya artha. Tathapi katham sampadaha siddhi. Imagine how difficult is the position of Brahma. Because to remain in maunam is very difficult for people. Half hour if they have to sit in maunam. In class they will all be in maunam when there comes to answering question. Tathapi katham sampadaha siddhis tatraha. In Bhashya, one more sentence first. Tena mana eva devata taya manasa hi gopayati brahma yajna. Brahma yajnam gopayati manasa. Tacha mano vritti bhedena ananda. Because there are infinite vritti. Mind is one. But vritti bhedena mano ananta. Means every vritti is called manaha. So therefore ananta. And this Vishwadeva, devatas are also ananta. Tika. Vai shabda is for prasiddha avadyotana artham. Prasiddham manasaha anantyam. These are in Bhashya. Tad anantya abhimanino devaha. Mind is infinite. And tad abhimani devata is this what is discussed here. And Vishwadevaha Ananta. Ananta vai Vishwadevaha. That vai is for Prasiddhi. Sarve deva yatra ekam bhavanti ityadi shrutyantara. Sarve devaha yatra ekam bhavanti. There is another shruti. Which shruti is not given? Shrutyantaram. It could be in Brahadaranyaka or elsewhere. Tika. Deva sarve yasmin manasi ekam bhavanti abhinnatvam pratipatyante. Tasmin vishwadeva drishtya bhavati ananta loka praptihi iti shrutyantarasya artha. Vishwadeva drishtya bhavati ananta loka prapti. This is the shrutyantarasya artha. Anandam eva ityadi vyachaste tena iti. उक्तेन प्रकारेण इति यावत्. So तेन in भाष्य तेन आनन्त्य सामान्यात् अनन्तमेव सः तेन लोकं जयति. आनन्त्यै समानम् अनंतम लोकम तेन जयति. So earlier देवलोक उज्ज्वलत्व सामान्य, then शब्द सामान्यात् पितृलोक, अधो सामान्यात् मनुष्यलोक. Now here अनंत सामान्यात् अनंतम एव लोकम जयति. टीका उक्तेन प्रकारेण इति यावत् तेन मनसि विश्वदेव दृष्टि अध्यासेन इत्यर्थ. See, it is called adhyasa. Manasi, in mind, Vishwadeva Drishti Adhyasena. So this is also Adhyasa. Upasana is also Adhyasa. So it is called Adhyasa. Saha iti Upasaka Uktihi. So here Upasana is Adhyasa, one form of Adhyasa. Saha Tena Lokam Jayati. Saha Upasaka. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.